Okay, in this video, we're gonna go over some examples of things that you can start filming today with your iPhone that again, adds value to your audience, to your network. So take a look at some of these examples on the screen here. I mean, all of these things are great examples of something that you can be doing weekly to share with your audience. All those examples I put into 3 different categories and what it is that they're doing. Again, it goes back to the intent. What is the intent behind these videos examples? So you look here, the blue box here, the education, the buying and selling process, and you have all those examples, the myths about home buying, 10 reasons to sell your home, 5 things to expect when buying a home, 5 things to expect when selling a home. I mean, you can go, is it a good time to sell now? Is it a good time to buy now? There's so many different topics that you can go in here, but what is it doing? It's educating your audience. It's educating somebody that's literally looking for that answer. I mean, can't tell you how many people are going to YouTube and Google and say, is now a good time to buy in Seattle? How do I buy? How do I purchase a property in Seattle? What is the home buying process? Because there's a bunch of people out there that have not gone through and are looking online for that answer, and in Facebook. And there's people in your network. I mean, the craziest thing about social media, in your network, you have a network on Facebook. There is somebody out there in your network that is asking these questions. If they saw a video produced by you, boom, they're going to you for their questions. Then shoot over to that green box. You got the community updates. So some of those examples: 1, testimonials from a family, progress updates on listings, progress updates on closings, community highlights and acknowledgement, small business highlights and acknowledgements. You can do negotiation reviews. I mean, there's a bunch of different things you can do here, but again, you're updating your audience. You're updating somebody that's interested in that content, interested in consuming that content from you because, 1, they like you, they connect with you, they want to know more about what you're doing, what's going on, they're learning from you. And not only that, the other side, just like the Coca-Cola example that we talked a few videos before this one, is, again, it's keeping you at the forefront of their thinking all the time. And they like it, they enjoy it, they want to learn more, they want to be there with you. Not only is it entertainment, it's educational, but it's helping somebody else connect with you on a much higher level. So then let's go to the third box here, personal content. So here you got a few reasons that we listed off, the 3 reasons why you got into real estate: personal experiences in buying a home, personal experiences in selling a home. Let's say you have gone through the process, and what did you learn? How did the process go for you? So this is the intent behind just these 3 examples that we listed, is to connect with your audience, to connect with your network. So you have educating, you have a network, you have connecting. All those video examples have the intent of educate, network, connect. Okay, so let's go into the education box here. Now, if you're gonna create a video about education, you want to decide what is it that you are educating a viewer on. So for example, the common fears with buying a home. So if you are going to create a video about the common fears with buying a home, that is the main purpose. That is the intent. That is what you are going to be talking about. Well, then come up with 3 topics of underneath that point that maybe you've heard some of your clients or your customers talk to you about, or have asked you questions about, the fears that they've been having. Bring in 3 points that you can talk on and address those points, and then have a close. Wrap it all up and have your close, what it is that you talked about, the main points. Again, bring it full circle, give them a point to leave off with, and then that's it, you're done. Again, this doesn't take much time to prep and get ready before filming, before using your phone and filming a video and posting on YouTube, Facebook. It doesn't take that much time, but you guys, I promise you that this alone, just doing this, is gonna make your content stand out from 95% of the people out there. It's simple to do. It just takes those few moments, and it'll make your videos tremendously better.